What's up, YouTube? I know I've been on a hiatus, and you know, I've been doing some things to the car while I've been gone. Well, while you guys wasn't hearing from me. But I did a few upgrades. As you remember, when I did the RS panels, as you can see, and the steering wheel, all that stuff, the seats, I stripped the whole sound system out of the car. At first, I thought I wanted to take the sound system out. I didn't need it. But driving this car more and more, I realized that, like, you need music, man. You need music. I mean, this is not, I don't want to turn this into like a full kind of like race car, because I think if you do that, then you're not going to enjoy driving it on a regular basis. So I was just like, no, I got to put this music back in here. So I did a full sound system upgrade. I did focal speakers. You can see here, focal speakers, focal tweeters, Kenwood radio. I did focal speakers in the rear deck. I don't know if you could see it. And I also did two JBL subs, in subs. There's one behind these seats. I'm gonna get out and show you that in a second. But aside from that, I also did a full security system because I have a 95, so I didn't have like door poppers or whatever. You know, like I didn't have a key fob to unlock the doors. So I would have to actually use my key, put it in the keyhole, and then unlock the doors and open the doors. And I didn't like that. So I did a full Compustar T13 with auto start. They put the motors in the doors, so now I could use the fob to unlock the doors. It has proximity unlock. Once I get up to the car, it unlocks the door. It also comes with the app where I could track the car GPS wise, and also auto start it, you know, whatever, unlock the car, whatever, from anywhere, as long as I have, you know, phone service or whatever. So, which is great. I think that was a huge upgrade to the car, and I think it just kind of just steps it up to kind of make it more modern. That's my goal now. I just want to kind of just modern, like make the car a little bit more modern, similar to like what Gunther Works and Singer does, you know, because I think that's what will make you enjoy the car even more. So I'm gonna show you the fob real fast. You guys can see it. That's the LED display of the car on there. And then you can see all the cues of like when it's locked, unlocked, when the alarm goes off. It's good. It's good. Another thing that I did, I don't even know if you guys noticed when I showed it, but when I panned to the rear deck, did you see the seats? I also reupholstered the seats. Remember the additional leather that I got from Sparco? Let me get out the car. Remember the additional leather that I got from Sparco when I got these Sparco seats? Yeah, so while the car was out getting all the upgrades, I decided to do the rear seats. So I reupholstered the rear seats to match the front, as you can see here. What do you guys think? And then that's the JBL sub that I was talking about. There's one here and there was one on the other side. I don't know if you guys can see it. It might be kind of dark. But yeah. And it sounds amazing. I guess I could let you guys hear that real fast. I could never get tired of these seats. Anyway, let me let you guys hear the sound. So, well, I can't play any like actual music because for copyright reasons, because of YouTube. So I guess the best thing I could do is play something from my channel, one of the videos, right? Let's go to YouTube. Okay. Let's put this up a little bit. Then I'm going to increase the volume as it goes. yeah, so I hope it could catch the sound of how it really, this thing knocks, man. I just hope it caught everything in the camera for you guys, but I can't emphasize how amazing this thing sounds, and especially with the bass right behind the seat, yo, it sounds insane. So, like, trust me, like, if I drive with the windows down and I pull up next to people, like, they're like shocked that like a little car like this is producing that kind of sound. It's so clear, the vocals are so clear. And then I actually turned the bass down because the bass was knocking so hard behind my back, but it still sounds amazing. And the Kenwood radio is great. It's Bluetooth. You saw me controlling everything from the phone. I can't, yo, this is, I'm loving the car more and more. So that's something I recommend. If you guys are wondering about doing an upgrade, I think you should. I think it's worth it. Just do some quality stuff. You know, don't cheap out. You know, like I said, I think Focal is probably one of the leading speakers right now in the industry. So the Focal door speakers, the Focal tweeters, the Focal rear deck, the JBL. You guys already know about JBL, so JBL is sick. And then on top of that, the Kenwood radio. I know a lot of you guys do the Porsche Classic. I did not want to spend all that money for a Porsche Classic radio. I think, in my opinion, I think it's overrated. It looks good. You know, if you want to keep that look, that vintage kind of look, the old school look, I think you should do it. But I mean, that's a lot of money. That money that you're spending just for the radio, you could put towards actually upgrading your whole system, you know? So to me, it's all, you know, whatever you prefer. I can't tell you what route to go. I'm just telling you my experience. But I've seen the Porsche Classic radio, and I think, you know, I mean, this to me looks sick. I mean, you could have it set on one color, or you could have it rotating through colors. As you guys seen over the time that I was talking to you, the colors were changing, they were rotating. So, you know, it's up to you guys. Like, it's all preference, man, all personal preference. So that's it. That's really the update I wanted to show you guys. Oh, and it came with a little mic here. I guess that's for also the security system for, you know, like if somebody tries to break the glass or whatever. You guys know about that. So it picks up everything, the audible. And other than that, it's great. The security system is great. The speakers are great. The back seat, the rear seat, like, it matches the front. It just really brings out the interior of the car with the door straps, everything, fire extinguisher, even the steering wheel. You know, everything's coming, you know, everything's coming together. Everything's coming together. So I'm very happy, man, very happy. But I just want to give you guys an update. There's more stuff to come. You know, we're far from done, but it's a process. It's a process. So thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time. Peace.